Is your bank account being drained by apps you don't even use anymore? Deleting the app from your phone doesn't stop the billing. To truly stop the fees, you have to go to the source. Let's head to the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store. Instead of searching for the app, click your profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you're looking for the menu called Payments and Subscriptions. It's usually the third option down. Click Subscriptions. This is your master list. It shows you exactly what you're paying for, how much it costs, and when the next payment is due. Find the subscription you want to kill and tap it. You'll see the Cancel Subscription button at the bottom. Google will ask why you're leaving. Just pick cost-related reasons or I don't use this service enough, and hit Continue. One final click on Cancel Subscription, and you're free. You'll still have access to the premium features until the end of your current billing cycle, but you won't be charged again. Check this list once a month to keep your budget in check. If this saved you some cash today, let me know in the comments.